Hello, can you guys hear? So it was the daily. So this was the daily price area we were talking yesterday during the CPI news. The price will just come down, mitigate this daily order block, and then the price will be shoot up by taking out this highs. But move was extremely volatile, so we didn't got any chance to take the EU sales and all in the yesterday. But today in the market or during the first hours of Asia, there was a slowdown. Then London just pushed back market up. Then price consolidated by taking out yesterday's high. The previous day high was already taken out. Then looking into the 5 minute time frame, when the price took out this high and price reacted to this area, to this order block area and taking out this short term high, I just took a buys on the Euro USD. That was the move for the New York, I guess. So I'm expecting a target of this area. Dixie will reach this area before then going to bullish. So these are the first target. I just taken out the partial rate. Then now I'm expecting the Dixie to reach this area and then continue this bullish momentum till 105 something. 105 400 something. That's we can look in the weekly time frame. Yeah, we are expecting the price to reach this 105.311. This is a weekly order block. Second, this is the first infusement. This candle, this 6th November 23 candle. And now we are expecting for the second infusement, and there is a lot more liquidity pending in this downside objective. When the buy side objective is completed, price reacting this weekly order book, then the sell side objective will be turned on, and we can expect a target of this 100 first. Then we will be taking out all these lows. There is also an unmitigated fair value gap in the weekly time frame though. So we can expect a move from this order. Till now, we can look for buys only. So on day time frame, we have already broken. And this is the current situation in the Dixie right now. So we can expect a price consolidate. This is the 5 minute market maker sell model like us. There's a first smart money reversal, the price was pushing up, then we have got a trend to the downside, then we have got an accumulation, then again the distribution, and then the price is now consolidating again from this area. So we can expect a move like this to the downside. If the price want to go downside, we can expect a move like this, and then we can expect a move to the upside. Okay, this is the scenario in the Dixie. So looking in the a daily time frame, the price just took out our sell side objective, and next our sell side objective will be this area. But before going to that area, we can expect a small retracement. So today's trade will be a reversal trade. Okay. In the 4 hour time frame, we have taken out this yesterday's previous day low and priced pushed given a bullish displacement in the London session and then consolidated in this area. So then I look for buys. But here in the sell side area, we have already printed some engineered liquidity, so we can expect the price to push back downwards after taking out this highs. So I just when the price just given this bullish displacement in the 15-minute time frame, I just scale down to the 5 minute time frame and look for an area where the price is likely to reach. So when I looked, this was the last swing which gave us the market structure shift, that change of character. So I expected the price to reach this area, and I just recorded an analysis during that time. I'll be just playing that. This was the analysis I just played before, drawn before that move. I just expected the price to move from the end where I just took the entry and placed the sell right there. And now price take to this, I just placed the stop loss below that fair value gap reaction area. So I'm expecting the price to take out this highs and then move back to the downside area for the sell side liquidity printed. And this is the analysis we made, and then looking the price just took out that high also. So I expect a move to this area also. Surely that's a I'm just booked my partial right here. I'm holding my 20 percentage of the trades to this area. Okay. And this was the screenshot of that entry I took. I just firstly when the price reacted to this fair value gap, I just took my first entry and placed my SL below here. Then when the price reacted to this area, I just expected the price to push back upwards because there is a liquidity lying here in the 1 minute time frame. This is a 1 minute time frame. I just took my entry in the 5 minute and just scaled down to the 1 minute to check the or 1 minute order for to manage my trades. So firstly, price just reacted here, and there this area was my SL was firstly here, and after the price reacted to this 5 minute fair value gap, I just pushed when the price pushed to this area. I just trail my stop loss to this area. Okay, this was the expected move. We are expecting almost 188. Okay, this was the expectation. So we can expect a reverse. Maybe sometimes the price can also reverse from this area. This was an area of sweep has been happened. So we can expect a. So here we have some low resistance liquidity run right here. So yeah, we just grabbed right here and price reacted to this area. So I just closed my 90 percentage of my positions right there. We can sometimes price will be cruel to us and just reaching this TP where 1 or 2 people we can come back to our SL and hit our SL. That's a bad feeling for us. So we should manage aggressively. Also, I also said that earlier. I said that it's a reversal trade, so we must be careful enough before reaching the final target. We have to set some first target, second target, and third target for the reversal trades. That's how I am managing my risk in the reversal trade. First, the price. Firstly, I kept my SL right here. Okay, it was a 1:2 trade. Then I just when the price pushed back upwards, I got the confirmation firstly from here. This market structure shift. I thought this was the market structure shift, and first my first entry was almost about here. Here, I guess. Then I just put my SL right here, and that was a 1:1 trade, 1:1.5 or 1:1 something trade. Then again, the price reached right here. I just placed another entry, and a small lot of entry was placed here. When the price pushed back here, I just closed my 50 percentage of the positions of that first two trades. Then I holded the last position till here, and I booked 80 percentage of all the profits from that. Now I booked almost 90% right here. So I'm expecting a final target of this 188. Okay, that's the New York move for the Euro USD. After collecting out these highs, we can expect a bearish reaction. Okay, that's the move for the New York session in the Euro USD. Next, let's look into the GBP USD. We also have some news. Okay, during London session, we are having CPI of GBP, and CPI I guess was negative. So actual greater than forecast is good, but aligning the fundamentals also, then the GBP gone correctly with that news too, and the structure was also bearish. So price just reacted to this area. As last week during the analysis, we told that price firstly can push to this area, this fair value gap, and after breaking this trend line, price just reacted to this area, this fair value gap, and firstly that reaction was happened in that VWAP area, then price just moving downwards. So we are expecting this as our day target, final target. Almost our first target was almost completed last week analysis. Our first target was completed, and the last target is currently pending right now. We can expect a move from this area. Okay, and that's a breaker, I guess, because the price just grab some liquid over the, okay, and then